In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Order Block Detector TradingView indicator by LuxAlgo. This indicator can be used to trade every type of asset. You can use it to trade, for example, Bitcoin on other cryptocurrencies, or you can use it to trade, for example, Forex markets or to trade indices like S&P 500 or Nasdaq. Also, this indicator works on every different time frame, so you can use it, for example, in the 5-minute chart, or you can use it in the 15-minute chart, as you can see, or you can use it in the 1-hour chart or in the 4-hour chart. Before explaining you how to set up this indicator in TradingView, I'm going to explain you a little bit of theory on how order blocks work. Basically, order blocks, as their name calls, is a block of orders. And basically, these order blocks that this indicator auto-detects in the chart, what signals its places where a lot of orders we can assume that can be clustered in the chart. We can assume that when this indicator finds a bearish order block like this one, we can assume that in this area there will be a lot of selling orders, a block of selling orders clustered there. And for example, if this indicator finds a bullish order block like this right here, we can assume that a lot of bullish orders or buy orders are clustering here. So basically, you can use order blocks as resistance. The bearish order blocks should be used as resistance levels, and the bullish order blocks should be used as bullish or support levels. So if you want to use this indicator in your TradingView charts, you need to go here in the indicators tab and type for order blocks, order block with a space, detector by LuxAlgo. Is the one that has right now 10,000 people that is using it. Also, I encourage you to read the description that LuxAlgo provides to this indicator before using it. But with this video that I'm making, you will be prepared to use this indicator in your trading strategy. So now we have added the indicator to our chart, and you have to go here into the settings of the indicator. And basically, the settings of this indicator are very simple. You just need to change the pivot length, the bullish order block or the bearish order block, and these settings are the ones that come by default, so I leave it as by default. I think that by default this indicator comes the volume pivot length in 4, the period, but I change it to 8 because it's better to find liquidity or bearish order blocks or bullish order blocks in the longer time frames, okay? So now, how can we use this indicator to make money in our trading strategy? So basically, this indicator, as I said before, an order block, a bearish order block, is represented in red. So we can assume that when the price reaches this order block, it will be finding resistance. And in the opposite hand, we can assume that when the price finds a bullish order block, the green one, we can find support. So as you can see here was formatted. It was clustered a little bit of liquidity when the price pumped. So it created an order block. And then the price revisited this order block and then bounced again. Also here, with the bearish order block, you can see that whenever the price is reaching the bearish order block, is being rejected as here, okay? So we can assume that order blocks act as support and resistance levels or demand or supply levels. And in theory, it's very logical because an order block, as I said before, an order block is just a block of orders that are sitting in the chart. So basically, this acts as a magnet for the price to be reached, and then when the price reaches this area, the traders begin selling the asset. In this case, I'm analyzing Bitcoin because we have bearish and bullish order blocks, because Bitcoin has a lot of bullish price action and I cannot find bearish order blocks to explain you. But for example, as I was saying, when the price reaches the bearish order block, it got rejected because a lot of sell orders were executed here. Now the price is reaching again the bearish order block and a lot of sell orders are being executed. So a lot of selling pressure, a lot of selling liquidity, a lot of asks are being clustered around this bearish order block. And in the opposite side, if the price nukes and goes here, we can assume that the price will be rejected and bounce again, okay? Because a lot of bullish liquidity, a lot of bids will be found around these levels in the chart, because a lot of buying orders are clustered in this zone or this area of the chart. That's why it's called an order block. A block of orders that are waiting there to be executed. So basically, the main functionality, the main strategy that we can apply to the order blocks is use it as support and resistance or supply and demand levels. So when we find that the price is pumping, we need to buy here and sell when we are approaching the bearish order block, because we will find resistance or selling pressure around this area. If we see that the price is gaining momentum, we can assume that the order block will be pierced and the bullish momentum, the bullish candle, will be with a higher volume enough to break, to trespass this resistance or bearish order block, and then we can expect a bullish continuation, okay? I think that this indicator by LuxAlgo is very, very powerful, because oftentimes the order blocks, you should have the knowledge to identify them and to draw them in a chart with a rectangle like I am doing right now. But the cool feature about this indicator is that the indicator is programmed to find the order blocks automatically. This way you don't have to draw them by yourself and identify the order blocks by yourself. So it's a pretty cool feature, because this way you can automate a lot of the work, a lot of the analysis, and you can focus just on trading and in the zones that the indicator is highlighting to you in the chart. So that is for the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your thoughts or your suggestions, or if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And also you can follow me on Twitter X, where you can find a lot of daily analysis or daily trading setups that I post completely for free, and you can benefit from them. So you follow me there, you can see my daily trading setups, my daily trading analysis on Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. And also you can find me on Rumble and on Instagram. So thank you for your time, and we see you in the next video.